The American International University Bangladesh, AIUB, took its first step in the year 1994 as a direct result of the visionary Dr. Anwarul Abidin's dream. The dream of establishing a university which will be a center for excellence in computer-based engineering and business learning. Since then, the American International University Bangladesh, AIUB, has earned its place among the elite. The underlying reason of AIUB's success is its strong infrastructure, efficient administration, qualified staff, and above all, its relentless drive for quality education. Currently, AIUB is running its operation in 5 different campuses conveniently located in one of the most accessible and prestigious hubs of Dhaka. And the dream of its own campus is even closer, as AIUB has already purchased land in Dhaka. The vision of AIUB is to produce professional leaders who can play a positive role in the advancement of the community and society and be in the forefront of change as the trendsetters. Therefore, the mission of AIUB is to produce world-class graduates who are able to take up the challenges of tomorrow by providing the most updated facilities and methods of teaching. Students at AIUB learn through research within the local environment and are enriched with knowledge and skills to provide leadership in enterprises, public service and welfare by collaborating all the modern academic techniques in one house. The academic programs are designed to cater to the need of the home economy as well as the world market for qualified human resources and skilled entrepreneurs. Almost 5,000 students are currently enrolled in AIUB and are cared for by 212 faculty members with high credentials. Each faculty member is required to provide additional academic assistance and guidance outside the class hours. In the process, both faculty members and the students experience a positive, healthy, and enjoyable campus life. The steady growth in the number of students over the years clearly shows a picture of AIUB's success and acceptance in the community. AIUB currently operates under 4 distinct faculties: Faculty of Science, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Business Administration, and Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences. For almost a decade and a half, AIUB is constantly upgrading and modifying itself to match the ever-changing international standards. State-of-the-art language lab, more than 10 computer labs, and more than 15 engineering labs equipped with latest tools and installations are one of the best in the country. Number of high-end servers, own VSAT, Hughes Library, with more than 26,000 titles composed of books, online journals, CDs and videos make AIUB one of the top performing private universities in the country. AIUB has equipped and automated itself with an arsenal of software developed by its IT department, which is the fabric of smooth operation in all areas of the university. The level of sophistication achieved using software is exemplary. Among many software like University Management System, Student Registration Management System, AIUB Library System, AIUB's Virtual University Expert System is worth a special mention because of its versatility and capability. This acclaimed world-class application, both on and offline, is constantly upgraded and updated by its users and its developers. It acts as a virtual common platform serving everyone in the university. As a policy of nurturing higher education, AIUB extends financial assistance in the forms of various types of tuition waivers to an approximate 10% of its students based on merit, special skills and need. Being the leader, AIUB already etched its own mark in the research arena. Its regular publication of academic journals fetched appreciation around the globe. In addition, AIUB has launched the nation's first electronic data bank containing chronological financial data of nation's business, stock market and economy. Besides mainstream academic programs, AIUB also offers professional certification courses for Cisco, CCNA, CWLS, Sun Solaris, Java, Microsoft MCSA, MCSE, MCDST. Furthermore, AIUB is an authorized testing center for TOEFL and IBT. To give the graduates a definite advantage over others and to arm them with skills and confidence to face the global challenges, AIUB has been increasing its affiliations with renowned universities of North America, Europe, Australia and Southeast Asia. AIUB is already a member of various international associations like International Association of Universities, International Association of University Presidents, Association of Universities of Asia and the Pacific, Asia Pacific Quality Network, American Chamber of Commerce in Bangladesh and others. A university is never complete without extracurricular activities, and AIUB has no shortage of clubs, teams and associations. AIUB Alumni Association, IEEE AIUB Student Chapter, AIUB Oratory Club, AIUB Drama Club, AIUB Cricket Team, AIUB Performing Arts Club, ISEC in AIUB are a few to name among many others. Careful mix of logistics, infrastructure, capable manpower, strong yet friendly administration, and above all, the drive to excel in the academic arena is clearly the catalyst that enables AIUB to set higher standards. AIUB graduates hold the qualities one expects from a leading private university of the country. They are highly sought after as they are the ones that are not afraid to face challenges and have the leadership qualities that can be a great asset to any organization. The Office of Placement and Alumni Affairs continues to build a strong network with both private and public sectors in order to facilitate internship and placement opportunities for its graduates. Not only in academic achievements, AIUB also proves to be a worthy opponent in regional and national level inter-university games and international programming contests. Each year, at the graduating ceremony, AIUB reaches its pinnacle. Graduates take a vow of upholding the aspirations and dreams of their parents and the country. A dream is realized, the dream that made AIUB what it is today. To the graduates, AIUB is not just a university where leaders are created. It is a way of life. It is a family.